Hello everyone, this is Rich Wall, and this short video tutorial will be on how to upload a learning artifact to your ePortfolio page. Again, as a quick review of how to get to your ePortfolio page, from the main Mitchell homepage, you'll click on the words Current Students, then on the words Learning Management, and then on the word ePortfolio. You'll then go to your name in the ePortfolio page, and in this case we're going to again be using our test student 1. Now, the ePortfolio has an area to the left hand side for learning artifacts, and simply put, these are going to be items that you are going to create in and out of class that demonstrate your knowledge, by example, of the specific subject matter or materials that you have been learning in class. Give you an example. It could be a PowerPoint presentation. It could be a video that you've created for a specific project. It could be an audio recording, or some may call it a podcast. So that's the idea of an artifact. It's an item that you've created that demonstrates your knowledge of a specific subject area. Now, for our ePortfolio example here, I've already gone ahead and set up a couple of artifacts that I'm going to upload. But to get to the actual upload process, let's just go ahead now and click on the first artifact area called Audio. I click there and I'm brought to a new page, and you can see it's quite simple. You actually go over to the words where it says Add a New Item. Click on that. You'll then be brought to a Browse page to go identify where the actual file is that's on your computer. Some of you may have it in a folder. Some of you may have it on a flash drive or on your desktop. In this case, I'm going to browse because I've actually created on my desktop, as an example, a folder called Learning Artifacts for the ePortfolio right here, ePortfolio Artifacts. I click on that, and I have several examples of artifacts. In this case, it's a podcast, it's a picture of a student, it's a PowerPoint presentation, it's a video, and a Word document. So it's very simple. All you're really going to do is highlight the specific artifact you want. I would, of course, make sure it's aligned to the area that you're uploading. For example, audio, pictures, PowerPoint presentations, videos, or Word documents. And in this case, we're going to upload the audio. So I've got it highlighted. We then click on it, make sure the file name comes into the file name box, and click Open. You'll notice that a path, and don't worry about the technical term here, but a path is identified, and that's just basically telling the ePortfolio application where the file sits. You'll then click on OK. You'll get a dialog box that comes up and says Processing. One last box will come up to where up in the left-hand corner you'll click on Save, and now you'll see that the artifact has been uploaded to that specific area. It's quite simple. Let me step you through another example. So let's say I've got a picture that is a learning artifact that I've created, a picture I've taken, or a picture I've downloaded. So now I go to the Pictures area. Same idea here. I go to Add a New Item. I then go over to Browse. I then identify the artifact I want to upload. In this case, it's an artifact Pictures. Click on the words. Click Open. I click OK. Finally save, and again you'll see the picture is uploaded. Let me do one last one for you. I'll go now to upload a PowerPoint presentation. So again, I come over to where it says Presentations. Same as we have with the other areas. I click Add Document. I click on the word Browse. Identify the PowerPoint presentation. I click on that, make sure the file name is listed in the box here. Click Open. I then click OK, and you'll see it's been uploaded. So that's all there is to uploading an artifact to the ePortfolio page. It's quite simple. You can also quickly enough delete the artifact too. So in this particular case, if I didn't want to have this artifact in here, I just scroll up with my mouse, I get a drop down arrow, click of a drop down arrow, and I can just then click delete. You're in complete control of what you upload and also what you can delete. So that is again what all it takes to upload an artifact. I would encourage you to start to try to upload an artifact. Pick a Microsoft Word document, a PowerPoint presentation, something you've been working on, just to get a feel to how to use the ePortfolio artifacts area. In our classes, we'll be asking students to make sure they do upload artifacts to your portfolio, as you'll be using this throughout your college experience. If you have any questions with regards to how to upload an artifact, add text to your ePortfolio, or even add your picture, again, please come see me. I'm over at the Duquesne Center, room 211. If you need to contact me, you can either do it by phone at 860-629-6157, or on email, it's wall_r@mitchell.edu.